What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of The Simple Life. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing this little headlight here. I'm about to go outside and cook on the grill. Today we're going to be doing a chuck roast, along with some other vegetables and stuff. And Gavin, he wants to do some hot dogs as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get the meat ready, and then we're going to go ahead and slice up the vegetables and go ahead and get this grill lit. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut up these green and yellow squash. Alright, you guys, I got the grill set up for 2-zone cooking, meaning I got charcoal on this side of the grill and nothing on that side. We're going to do all of our searing of the meat on this side, cooking of the vegetables, and then slow cooking it on this side. Just trying to get everything lit, and then we'll go ahead and start cooking. Alright, so we got one side of this thing seared. I'm just doing the underside. I'm even going to do that side, and that side over there. And we're going to stick that on this side of the grill and let it slow cook. Be careful. You need help rolling them? Did a good job rolling them. That one's done?
Yep.
Alright, pull her off. Okay, why don't I move this over here? That way it'll be easier for you to transition them.
That's gonna be good for everyone.
This way, so they're all good.
They're gonna. We need a plate for
Alright, so we're at about 158. Going to let this thing cook for a few more minutes, and we'll go ahead and pull it off and let it rest. Slice it super thin like that. Look how much is dripping, so juicy. And there you guys have it, a nice piece of beef cooked on the grill, slow style. I really like cooking like that because the meat just comes out so tender. No matter what I'm doing, like pork or beef, whatever, it just comes out really, really good. But if you guys like this video and you want to see more of it, make sure you smash that like button and hit that little subscribe button and turn on post notifications as well. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And in the bottom right hand corner of the screen is my social media account info. If you would, please go give me a follow on that stuff as well. I try to keep you guys updated as to what's going on and stuff like that. And if you're not a follower of my other channel, Bigfella Outdoors, if you like hunting and fishing, head on over there and watch a couple of those videos as well. But that's going to do it for this video. So no matter where you are, no matter what you're doing, make sure you live life every day the simple way.